beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm met again back with Myntra haul, and this time I'll be showing you guys top. As you guys know that Myntra is running end of season sale. It is also called Euro sale. You get like 50 to 90% discount on mostly all the brands. So it starts from 31st of this month. So if you have anything in your wish list, go and grab these products because you're getting it at a very reasonable price. I hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as I do. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So this time whatever I've got, it's all like my wish list products. So I really like this stuff. So the first top which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and this is how it looks like. It has a very beautiful prints and pink color, the prominent color is pink. I really love this color, and they have given this tying thing. You can tie it if you feel like it's loose. Definitely I would recommend this particular top to you guys because it is 100% cotton and it's so lightweight and comfortable on the skin. And this is from the brand Cortland. So the price of this particular dress is 474 rupees. There is like 74% discount on this particular top. I would highly recommend this particular top to you guys. You can also see in the try on video how this top looks like. So I have similar one in dress as well. So same print, I have a dress. So that's when I got in top as well because I really like the stuff. It's a 100% cotton and very comfortable to wear in summer. I would recommend this. If you like it, you can go for it. You can also wear this to office or for casual wear also. It looks really nice. And yeah, having said that, let's move on to the next one. The next stuff which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and it's in black color. It's a lovely top, guys. Look at it. It's such a pretty top, and the material is so comfortable. And this is how it looks like. They have given like a cap sleeves, and it is quite cropped. And in the front, I'll just show you guys. They have given this kind of crisscross thread, so you can tighten this. If you're not comfortable wearing this top as it is, you can wear something inside, so you'll be good to go. And this top looks very beautiful. If you can pair this with white color or any color bottom, it looks really nice because this has different colors in this. So you can pair up with beige. Even black also goes really well with this, I feel, because in my try on video I paired it with a black color bottom itself, so it was looking really nice. I'm definitely gonna keep this top, and let me tell you the prices of this. Okay, the price of this top is 689 rupees. Now I see like there is 68% off on this. You get it for 479 rupees. There are like two colors in this, and all the sizes are available, guys. So go and grab this product if you like it because it looks really stylish. If you're looking for a trendy top, I think this top will be really nice. You can also pair this with any color bottom, and they have in two colors as I told you guys. If you like it, go for it, guys. Alright, the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is a very trendy top, and this is how it looks like. They have given this crisscross neck. It's not a neck, but it's just a strap, and they have given an adjustable strap, and this is how the bottom looks like. They have given it in a V shape. It gives a good shape to your body, and this is how the top looks like. It's in light cream color, and I really love this color. After discount, I got this product for 371 rupees, and it's 100% cotton ribbed material, and it's stretchable as well. If you like this top, go for it. You can definitely wear this during summer. You feel very comfortable. And having said that, let's move on to the next one. The next top which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, guys, and just look at the print of this top. There is a tying thing also, so you can tie this like this, and this is how the top looks like. Very beautiful top, guys. This time whatever I've got, all the tops are very beautiful and it's all very different, and they have given this kind of sleeves. It's like a off shoulder top. So what I feel is you can also remove this sleeves if you don't like, but I like it with the sleeves. And this is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful top again. The price of this particular top is 469, and now I see like the price has gone down to 449 rupees. If you like it, you can go for it. It's a georgette material, very soft on the skin. It doesn't irritate your skin at all, and it's of a good quality. I would 100% recommend this top to you guys. And they have one more color. It's in yellow color, but I like this one more. So if you like this top, you can definitely go for it. It's of a very good quality. You can pair this with white color or any color bottom. I think white or black color will go really well with this. So having said that, let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is such a beautiful top, guys, and it's 100% cotton, and this is how the print looks like. It's quite, cropped. It's very big for me. I got it in medium size, but it's very big for me. You can also see in the try on video. These buttons, you can remove it. It's quite functional. And again, this top is really nice, guys. Very simple top. You can pair this with any, bottom. It looks really nice. White bottom will go really well with this. And the price of this particular top is... The price of this particular top is 509 rupees, and there are like 3 colors in this. Whichever color you want, you can go for it. And I really like this top because it's like cotton top. It's very comfortable. You can definitely wear it during summer, and it looks really stylish as well. You can see in the try on video as also, like, it's a very simple top, but it looks really elegant. It is quite cropped. It's not like full length top. Alright, the next top which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. It's in pastel green color, and it's such a lovely top, and they have given like a v-neck for this. I got it in medium size, but you can go for one size smaller. If you're a person who wear like medium size, go for one size smaller, so that it fits perfectly on the chest area, because it's a bit loose for me. But nonetheless, the top looks really beautiful, and this is how it looks like. They have given like a puffy sleeves, like a balloon sleeve, and even in the sleeves you get this elastic. Okay, the price of this particular top is 767 after discount. They have given like 68% discount on this. It's a very good deal, and it's from the brand Chemistry. They do not have in different colors. This is the only color that they have. But I really like this top. The material quality is viscose rayon. I think it's a very nice cloth. You can definitely go for it, guys. I will put all the product links in the description box, and I see like all the product sizes are available. If you like any of this, definitely you can go for it. So the last product of this haul is this one. I wanted a jacket from very long time, so I got this. This is from the brand H&M. They have hoodie here, and a very beautiful jacket, and the quality of this jacket is really nice, and I'll provide link for this one as well. I think the price of this particular jacket is 1499 rupees. So it's a very beautiful jacket. Beautiful in the sense that, it's a very simple but very useful jacket. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye-bye.